Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. I'll guide you through setting up Psiphon Pro for proxy and HTTP header configurations. Prior to starting, remember to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Step 1. Install Psiphon Pro. Begin by downloading and installing Psiphon Pro from your App Store or directly from the web. Step 2. Launch Psiphon Pro. Once installed, open the app to access its main screen. Step 3. Access Settings. Locate the options label on the screen and tap to access the app settings. Step 4. Configure Proxy Settings. Within the settings, find and select the proxy settings to set up your preferences. Step 5. Activate HTTP proxy. In the proxy settings, enable the HTTP proxy by checking the box. For custom settings, input a valid proxy and port number, e.g., 80. If authentication is needed, enter your username and password. Step 6. Customize headers. For custom headers, modify the settings using custom proxy or system network settings. To adjust HTTP headers, click on Custom HTTP Headers and input the necessary information. Step 7. Establish VPN connection. Return to the main screen and tap the Start button to initiate the VPN connection. Conclusion. You have successfully configured Psiphon Pro for proxy and HTTP headers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.